Peace Day itself at Rogers is incredible. The whole staff is involved. The music, we use the gym. They get a history of how Peace Day started. They get to make their Peace Day hats. All the kids have their Peace Day hats on. They have decorated their lockers with Peace Day signs. They're learning the songs all through music since the first day of school, and we talk about Peace Day.
Well, it's important especially for our school because we take it very seriously when the whole school just comes together and just celebrates peace.
So what does Peace Day mean to you?
It means a lot, just to not be mean and to be nice. My favorite parts are when the choir did the solos, how we did this year. I thought that was really cool.
But in the elementary school level, it's super incredible because they just accept it and they're kind to everybody, and it's just something that, it's not really a day. We start out as a day, but we use this all year long.
What does being peaceful mean?
Smiling and helping each other with no hurt.
What's something you can do in school to be peaceful?
You can be safe, respectful, and responsible.
It means to make the world a better place and make it more peaceful. My favorite part is the songs.
And which song is your favorite?
Nothing more.
And why is that your favorite?
It's my favorite because it talks about peace.
Well, it talks about peace and being nice and sharing toys and sharing everything.
What's really cool at Rogers is that even the kindergartners start it, but it continues throughout the year, and by the time they're in 5th grade, to them it's natural. They know what it's about, and hopefully they'll carry it on to the middle school and the high school and the rest of the world. And peaceful learning is something that you carry with you forever. It's a character trait, and it's how you solve problems, and it's how you go through life, and it's how you can calm yourself down because you're not always going to be in peaceful situations.
I think about that peace is in the world's core, and it's pouring out.